We are pleased to show you the 2025 Silverado 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.7-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, tire pressure monitoring system, remote keyless entry, Inside you'll find push-button start, cruise control, power outlet, floor mats. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. Feel the rush of adrenaline as you accelerate into the future.